Stop. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Seriously, let go of me.
No. Bitch, we have 115th Street. Stop kicking!
Somebody's rushing.
Stop.
With a reckless attitude and constantly challenging police, this woman seemed to believe she was still in control of the situation. But with just a few actions out of control, everything would become far worse than she imagined. Let's follow what happened. In Leon County, Florida, police were called to a public lounge after receiving a report that Ledbetter Autumn Marie had been sleeping there without permission. When officers approached Autumn, they tried to identify her and verify the earlier trespassing incident, but she repeatedly refused to provide her name or identification.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities, sir.
Okay, you're talking just fine. Let's talk normal. What's your first name?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna go. I'm sorry.
No, you're going to tell us your first name.
No, I'm not, sir. I'm sorry.
We can do this easy way, hard way. It's up to you.
What's the deal?
We're trying to find out who
What
you
is
are.
your first name, my lady?
We're trying to make sure you're safe and find out who you are real quick, okay? If you don't have any warrants or anything like that, then we're good. But I need to get your first name and all that information, okay?
I just woke up and I have deep sleep,
I
so
got you.
I'm just not interested in doing that.
Understandable, but this ain't a bedroom.
Oh, okay, I'm going to walk to my bedroom.
Where's your bedroom?
No, I'm not interested in telling anybody right now. I just woke up from my sleep.
Uh-huh.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any names.
What's that?
I'm not here to give out any names, sir. I'm so sorry.
Well, you're not free to leave right now.
Okay, then.
So let's begin with your first name because are you familiar with what resisting is? If you don't give me your information, that is what we call resisting.
Yes, sir.
So what is your first name, young lady?
I don't know.
Open up your purse and give me your ID.
I don't have one.
Hmm?
I don't have one, sir.
You don't have one?
No, I actually have to get my ID back today.
From where?
My girlfriend's house, allegedly.
Okay, then give my officer your first name.
No, thank you.
Huh?
No, thank you.
No, give him it now. Or we're gonna go in cuffs and we're gonna walk downstairs and I'll find out who you are later.
A simple answer about her identity could have helped officers complete the verification, but Autumn chose to continue refusing to cooperate. More surprisingly, after speaking with the person in charge, police learned that this was not the first time she had done this. Under Florida law, intentionally remaining inside a structure after being told to leave by an authorized person may constitute trespass in a structure. If someone is inside the structure, the offense may be a first-degree misdemeanor. Back to the case, what happened next would completely change the situation.
No, thank you, sir.
Say what?
I said, okay, no, thank you, sir. I had the skateboarding on and I fell asleep. I apologize.
Okay.
Now they're watching racing.
We're just trying to help you make sure you're okay.
Can you please move out the way?
Huh?
Can you please not stand over me like that?
I'm not trying to intimidate you or anything, but if you live here, why are you sleeping up here on the couch?
I said I was watching skateboarding and
Oh, you're watching.
racing.
You're
I
watching
fell asleep
something.
in the middle
Oh,
of it.
okay.
Oh, this does not feel good. I gotta use the restroom.
Not yet.
I really do have to use
I
the
know.
restroom.
Not right now.
Okay, well, I'm going.
No, dude, no, stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please
Go
don't touch
sit over
me.
here. Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
Go
me.
sit back over there.
Please don't touch
You're
me.
not free to go. Stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there. Stop. You're not free to go.
You're not free to touch me.
Yes, I am.
Am I being
Go-
detained?
Yes, you are
For
detained.
what?
You are detained.
For what?
For an investigation. Go sit down.
What type of investigation?
I'm not gonna take you. Sit
Let
down.
go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously, let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously?
If you don't
Let
sit down,
go
I'm
of
gonna put
me.
you in cuffs.
Seriously, let go of me.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop resisting. Stop.
Seriously, let go of me.
No.
I got you.
Okay, why?
Well,
What did I do?
we'll do.
Just
All right,
ask to use
bye.
the restroom? I have to put the restraining order on you.
Sorry. Good, just give, yeah.
Yep.
Here. Put her on the ground. Instead of putting her on this. you stop?
I'm not doing you. Seriously?
Can we touch real quick?
I just have to pee. Can I please pee?
You just kicked me?
Can I pee? Oh, what are you doing? I'm scared if I can use the restroom. Sir, will you walk me to the restroom?
You're under arrest.
That's definitely not happening.
So she doesn't try to slip them.
Stop
Now you're
kicking
going
me.
to jail for
Stop
freaking
kicking
battery
me.
on LEO.
Double up in here.
That's that way.
What's on me?
Stop. Stop.
What the fuck? You're hurting my knees so bad.
Now stop kicking and stop squirming.
I just want to use the restroom. Oh, fuck.
755 dispatch. We at 11015. Stop kicking!
So use the restroom.
You will when you get to go to jail.
Sure. Please stop. Please. Get your hands off my ass. Please get your hands off of my ass. Please!
Hey, Sarge,
Can
if
please
you
get
got
your
a
hands off
hobble,
my ass?
or if somebody else wants to come here with a hobble, she's like kicking us and everything too.
Please get your hands off of my ass. Please. Please. Stop. Please just let me use the restroom. That's all I ask.
Her resistance, including the kicks and scratches during the struggle, created another, more serious problem. Under Florida law, resisting an officer with violence may constitute a third-degree felony. Intentionally striking or making physical contact with an officer performing official duties may also be elevated to a third-degree felony.
Holy shit.
Stop kicking, okay?
I just want to use the restroom. That's all I'm asking. What is wrong? What did I do?
Well, you're under arrest for trespassing. You're under arrest for battery on LEO now. We're gonna just have you write a statement too about the previous incident, and then was that?
Let me use the restroom.
Yeah, I
Let me
appreciate
use the
it.
restroom. Seriously.
Yes, sir. No worries.
Please let me use the restroom.
Yeah, no worries, sir. We appreciate it.
Please stop.
Stop.
Just yeah, I won't just.
Can you get off of me?
No,
Why?
because you're kicking us. And everything.
Because you're on me.
Because you're resisting us.
No, I'm asking if I can do something. Will you walk me?
No,
I'm not resisting.
you are resisting.
What?
Why am I going to trust you now when you didn't do what we asked the first time?
What did you ask?
To stop kicking us, then what'd you do? Keep kicking us.
You're
I
pathetic.
asked you to
Okay.
sit down. You wouldn't sit
Get off
down.
of me. Get off of me.
Relax.
Get off of me.
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop hitting your head.
Restroom.
Stop hitting your head into
Get
things.
off of me. You're hurting me so badly. Get off of me. Please get off of me.
They say they're going to order your office.
Where's my going?
Stop.
You have no fucking clue what this is. Let go of me. Holy shit, bro. Please stop. You're scaring me. Get off of my back now.
Stop.
No. Quit kicking.
Stop hitting me against the gate.
Please. Oh, get off.
If Autumn had followed the officer's instructions from the beginning, the situation would not have gone this far. By this point, additional officers had arrived to help fully restrain her and take her to the station for further processing.
She just scratched me too.
Get off of me, pathetic piece of shit. Just let me use the restroom. Oh, please stop. Please stop.
first.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this? All I said was I didn't want to sit down. I wanted to use the restroom. That's literally it. Can I use the restroom? Get off of my back! Hey!
Stop hitting your head against the
Get
ground.
off of my back! Get him off of me!
Yeah.
Yeah. How you want to do it?
Make sure you grab her by underneath her, by her shoulders and everything.
You're not
Do
biting
not
me.
try to bite him. No, you're under arrest.
This?
For what?
Like,
For what?
go underneath her. Yeah,
What am I under arrest for is what I'm asking.
on this one?
For what?
Shoulder.
For where?
Like this right here.
What am I trespassing?
Underneath here. And he's gonna get your legs. Yeah.
So gross.
You get that, son?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Because you can't behave, right?
All I asked is to go to the restroom. You guys are the most disgusting.
It still did not stop there. Her behavior continued even while her hands and legs were restrained. She then used another way to attack the officers, spitting at an officer and continuing to struggle, making it difficult to place her inside the patrol vehicle.
You're hurting my ankles. Can I please walk?
Sorry.
Why are you arresting me like this? It hurts. What did you do?
You want a flashlight too?
Yeah, he's got the flashlight.
Cool.
I fucking hate it here. Can you carry me differently? Do you have any idea what you're doing to my body?
Here, go down the
Can
knee.
you please carry me differently?
Can you walk like a...
Yeah, I can walk if he doesn't put me in
Okay,
my
no. You
stomach.
keep spitting, you're not gonna get a chance. You understand?
Don't spit on him. Stop.
It's on my knees.
We got a mask for her down there.
Please stop.
Set her up first and then just let it. Okay. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. There you go.
Come on. There we go. Here, shut just a little bit.
After the arrest, Autumn faced charges of trespass in an occupied structure, resisting an officer with violence, and 3 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer. The total bond recorded for these charges was $4,500. In addition, Autumn was being held on an out-of-state warrant from Cook County, Georgia, connected to a case involving theft of a motor vehicle and conspiracy to commit a crime. Now, let's see how viewers reacted to this case. She earned that arrest. There is something so satisfying about seeing these people being told no for the first time in their life. That is exactly how our cat behaves when we take him to the vet. I love the scream when spoiled brats realize they are in the cuffs and have no control. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below. An investigation that initially involved only trespassing quickly spiraled out of control when Autumn repeatedly resisted and used force against the officers. The kicks and struggling did not help her escape the situation. They only made the legal consequences more serious. If you enjoy the way we tell stories like this, subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you cases that not many people have heard about.